Friends, you already know it's only because Trump stepped in that India was saved. Otherwise, things could have turned very differently and India might not even be in its current state today. I wanted to say this for a long time, but the issue was that we often hold back from speaking openly. Today, I'm saying it clearly. This is my important statement. I've always been outspoken, and I strongly condemn Modi and all his supporters. Every word I've said is true. Our problem has always been hypocrisy and trying to put Pakistan down. But Pakistan cannot be brought down. The strength of this country lies in the unity between its people and its army. No matter how many conspiracies are made, nothing will change that. I'll end by saying once again, long live Pakistan. I strongly oppose those who spread hatred or blindly push agendas against it. Anyone who speaks irresponsibly or fuels division, especially sections of media that act as mouthpieces